I'm going to tell you exactly when you should buy Nvidia and why it is something that is worth investing in. There are 5 important factors that are absolutely necessary for you to get in at the right time. I am not going to waste your time, so let's jump right into it. First, we must acknowledge that the 20 exponential moving average from the daily time frame has been extremely relevant for Nvidia. Also, you may notice that my moving average does not look normal, and that is simply because it's the daily moving average plotted on the 4-hour time frame. You can see that it has bounced off of it multiple times to continue its strong upward movement. Look how it has closed strongly below it here. This tells us that at the very least, the bullish momentum has slowed down. Now, this only tells us that the momentum may be starting to reverse, but we will need stronger confirmation. This is the first major factor that we must stay aware of. In the 1-hour time frame, we see that bulls are trying to fight back after breaking below that significant moving average, but it is likely that they will lose in the end. Confirmation of that would be a close below this trend line, and that would actually be a pretty decent shorting entry until we reach our target area to buy up the stock. You would be able to set up a nice risk to reward ratio off of this. So this is another major factor to consider. Now, I will reveal to you the exact area where you should be looking to buy Nvidia. On the weekly time frame, we can see that price has once peaked right here and then fell sharply. It reacted strongly to this area in a very bullish way over here during its upward move. So this area is significant, that is likely to cause a big reaction, and I believe that it will act as a major support in the future. This range that you see is made between the price points of 346 and 335. So it is around those numbers where I will be looking for the price to form bullish opportunities and would likely invest a substantial amount. So now you know exactly when to buy, and that is whenever Nvidia falls down within the price range that I just gave you. I don't want you to buy as soon as the price simply reaches it. Make sure that you're waiting for signs of bullish activities to form there before pulling the trigger. Hey guys, if you are enjoying this video, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, leaving a comment, and subscribing. I am going to keep making content that is both valuable and time-saving for you. Now let's talk about another major factor that is also adding to the bearish case of bringing the stock price down to the area that I talked about earlier. There is a bearish divergence on the RSI, which indicates that the bullish momentum is weakening, and seeing this on a higher time frame is definitely a strong sign that you can add to the bearish case. Also, it has been going upwards for 10 months straight, so there will need to be a significant pullback to actually process that. If you are wondering why Nvidia is worth buying in the first place, then I will give you my brief thoughts on why this company is important. The world is changing quite quickly, and AI is going to become the new normal in the future. Nvidia is a company that will be able to provide the necessary chips and power for the AIs to run. In fact, they are actually starting to focus more on their advancements with AI and putting their focus on gaming in the back seat. I believe that this is the right decision and will be happy to invest in Nvidia once the opportunity presents itself on the chart. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to join a community of traders or want a more in-depth education on the stock market, please look through the resources in the description. I am looking forward to seeing you all in the next video.